The Ministry of Health's Directorate General of Disease Surveillance and Control, in cooperation with the WHO Regional Office for the Eastern Mediterranean as well as WHO Office in Oman, organized Intra-action review for COVID-19 response workshop in preparation for the visit of the Regional Office team to conduct the Intra-action review in due course. In his statement at the opening, the Health Minister highlighted the country's efforts exerted in COVID-19 response and exchange of expertise, applauding meanwhile the ceaseless work of health personnel during the pandemic.
I'm delighted that today we launched the first Intra-action workshop for Corona in the Sultanate of Oman, and it's the first in the Eastern Mediterranean region as well. The purpose of this workshop is to review the actions that have been taken by the Sultanate of Oman and to learn from the lessons, and not only from Oman but from the region and beyond. The workshop will continue for 2 days. As we all know, this pandemic affected every aspect of our life. Each country tried their level best to manage it. Here, and with directive of His Majesty, a Supreme Committee was formed, which used to meet almost on a weekly basis, and lots of measures were taken. We are confident that if not all, but most of them were in the right direction, but we are also ready to review them and learn from them and improve on them in the future. Unfortunately, the virus is here, and it seems that it's here to stay, contrary to what some people are saying. And that is why I'm urging everybody to continue practicing the measures that will stop the virus of spreading.
Dr. Jean Jabbour, WHO representative in Oman, highlighted relations between the ministry and WHO prior and amid the pandemic. He added,
The Health Organization would like to congratulate the Sultanate for all the measures taken so far to keep the pandemic at its lowest levels. And this happened through huge efforts done in the Sultanate from both the government and the community. And what I want to convey here, that the community still had the biggest role to keep this trend going. Otherwise, we will lose control. And it's not only the government, it's the government plus the population. And this is something that is very important for each individual in the community to continue applying the measures.
Dr. Dalia Samhouri, Program Area Manager at the Country Health Emergency Preparedness and HIR, reviewed the significance and objectives of the program as well as expected outcomes. The Ministry of Health's Directorate General of Disease Surveillance and Control, Dr. Saif Al-Abri, presented the epidemiological situation of COVID-19, COVID-19 response pillars, response plan, as well as the recovery plan and phases of immunization. The workshop held in preparation for the WHO technical team visit to conduct the Intra-action review for COVID-19 response in the Sultanate aims at building national capacities on conducting intra-action review and offering the opportunity to exchange expertise and collectively analyze the actions taken so far to respond to the current COVID-19 pandemic, to identify best practices, challenges and lessons learned. Moreover, assess the functional capacity at the public health and emergency response strategy. It seeks to identify practical areas for immediate intervention or continuous improvement of the current response to the COVID-19. The 2-day Intra-action review to conduct the Intra-action review, which includes number of pillars that are country-level coordination, planning and monitoring.